Tyler 6 and a newborn baby.
Oh, good timing.
8 months. So yeah.
Oh, right. So I had my second boy when mine was 6, and so it's 8 and 2 now. Perfect, exactly.
There you go, yeah.
Exact timing. Right now, my friend is looking at an AP and Vacheron.
And I sold Vacheron in the past through authorized dealers a long time ago. So this is a great brand. Check out this guilloche dial. This is actually the caliber 1120, one of the most beautiful caliber, and also the one of the highly rated caliber in the watch industry. This is called the London edition. This piece is completely done also, and it's an automatic. 65-hour power reserve on this watch. Fully guilloche handmade gold dial with the gold accents, the hands and everything. Yeah, look how thin it is. Solid 22 karat rotor in the back. Solid 22 carats.
Wow.
Yeah, fully automatic. That's a caliber 1120.
Wow.
Highly rated caliber in the watch industry.
Good Lord, look at how beautiful.
I mean, if I remove the plastic and you see
Yeah,
how
no,
cool
with the cross, you can see the cross.
15 off on this one.
Oh my God, look at this watch. Good Lord. Get the fuck out of here. How much is this, baby?
This one is 33.
33?
Yep.
15% off?
15% off on that. If you see the movement on the platinum piece, that one is that's a vertical clutch column wheel chronograph perpetual calendar movement. It's the caliber 2750. Amazing piece in there. Every year, Geneva will select a few pieces, and throughout the boutiques.
And these have the Geneva seal on them.
Geneva seal, correct. Yeah.
Look at that dial.
And then this is what we call the London edition. This is a boutique exclusive.
My friend's gonna see this video.